Alrighty, so since nobody really got to see the costume except on Halloween, I decided to go ahead and take it out, put it on, and let you guys see it. I'm going to show the pieces first. So yes, so as you can see, this is the shirt, and notice how, I just put some blood on the sleeves, up by the cuffs, and then around the neck area. Yeah, down on the leg there, that's just, can foam with some spray paint. So yes, this is what you would see when you'd be coming up to my front door. Of course it'd be darker, but yes, this is how it would look with me wearing it, and the movements, especially when you can see the spikes on the back, and yes, this is what it would look like in the dark. Now there would be more added light to this, but I didn't have the black light on when I was shooting this video here for you. But with the added sounds that I have and the lighting and the black light and some fog, yeah, it's really great. It's very scary. And this is just to give you, overall look, especially when you can see the spikes. Definitely I'll turn around and have you see the back. Well, if you like the video, go ahead and smash that like button, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day.